Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 7 trades. Today's date is April the 21st and I'm using my brand new PIP trigger trading system. This system uses the Hull moving average and then of course the goal line moving average. Now when it changes colors, the Hull, you'll get a notification. The Hull is changed either up or down. You'll get an audio sound and of course this pop-up box. And what I love about this PIP trigger is that I added about 4 months after I did the videos, I added this super signal indicator because that's when I got it about 4 months later. And it immediately made this system a much better trading system. Remember, if you want the arrows, the super signal indicator, that is in a different package. It's in the Easy Trader. All the information I'm telling you is right below this video in the description. Now every morning about 6 o'clock, right where this vertical line is, the London market is still open right through till 11 a.m. New York time. New York opens at 8 o'clock, which is right here. I like to be in front of the computer 1 or 2 hours minimum before the New York opens so I can catch these moves. Now, as I mentioned, the super signal, it catches the signals coming from the 4 indicators down here at the bottom. It really helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. Now this is great for traders who love to scalp the markets, whether you're on the 5 minutes and or the 10 or 15 minutes. I never go down to the 1 minute because there's just too much noise. So after I checked out not only all the different instruments, I also take a look at my daily trade plan. Now here's my daily trade plan, EA. It's running in real time and it is preset for day trading. In other words, there's more weight put on the 30 minutes, the 1 hour, and of course the 4 hours. You know, if you get enough blue, it'll say look for bullish, and if you get enough red, it'll say look for bearish trades. Now you must have some kind of a daily trade plan or you will fail at trading. If you have any questions at all about anything, including this daily trade plan, well, just Skype me and I will answer your questions. Okay, now we can get into some of these trades. The first one is Dow Jones. Wanted to be buying. Matter of fact, I bought all of them. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. There's the blue arrow from the super signal. Obviously, I should have got in here. But this is where I saw it and I knew it was going to go up. Now the Dow pays $5 for each tick, so I took the money, divided it by 5. Calculator says it should be 21. So let's go and see. There's your 21 ticks, and that ended up paying out $105. Moving right along to the next trade, which is a pound CAD. Bought it. There's the arrow. There's the super signal arrow. Everything's saying to buy. Now the Hull took, turned blue right there, and this is where I got in. And I closed out the trade being happy, looks like with around 18 pips. And those 18 pips paid out $140. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is the Euro CAD. Wanted to be buying it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan, super signal, everything looking good. Did qualify for a great way to trade. I knew it was going to go up with about 95% certainty Took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out being happy, looks like with 24 pips. And those 24 pips ended up paying out $184. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, the S&P 500. This one here pays $5 for each tick. So took the money, divided by 5, and the calculator says it should be 42 ticks. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan, and there's the arrow from the super signal. You gotta have all the pieces of the puzzle to find success in trading. In other words, you have to have the daily trade plan, you have to have the super signal indicator, and of course it'll help a lot if you have How I Trade Live, the advanced trading tips, and eventually you will start to find success in trading. So took the trade at this cursor, and what did I say? It was 42. There it is right there, 42 ticks, and that ended up paying out $212. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the NASDAQ. This one pays $20 for each tick. So I took the money, divided by 20, and the calculator says it's 16. There's both the arrows. The hull turned blue here, so it looks okay for going up. Got in, there it is right there. Close out the trade, locking in 16. It's actually 16.6. That's exactly right, as you can remove the last 2 digits. But anyhow, it's 16 ticks, and that ended up paying out $332. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the Russell. This one pays $10 for each tick. There we go with the 2 different arrows. And I took the money. Well, don't have to take the money. Let's see. This should be, since it pays $10, each tick should be 50. So let's see if we can find that 50 ticks. There it is right there, 50 ticks. And that's paid out $500. Okay, moving on to the next trade, the DAX 30. This one pays $3.75 for each tick. There's both the arrows. Everything was very clear going up. Let's see where I did get in. Took the trade right at this point, closed it out here, and looks like it's still going up. So I took the money and divided it by $3.75. And now the calculator says it should be 250 ticks. So here we go. 250. Got it right on. So 250 ticks, and that ended up paying out $937. So another great day of trading using my PIP trigger trading system. I knew it was going to be well over 200, mainly because of this DAX 30. I added up all the pips and the ticks, and the grand total came to 421 pips and ticks. And all of those pips and ticks ended up paying out $2,412. So if your system's not producing, like the PIP trigger system, well, I recommend you get your hands on it, and don't forget about the daily trade plan. If you have any comments or questions, or if you want to buy, just Skype me. When you buy from me, I do give full support, and without support, you will fail at trading. Now when you go to my YouTube channel, all you got to do is look right below the video. There's this button here, says show more. All you got to do is click on it. And if you want to make contact with me, simple. You already have Skype. All you got to do is click on this link. You can read the 4 things you need to succeed at trading. Now there's 4 different packages which cost $250 each. I recommend buying all 4 packages. Have a special offer. If you buy 2, I'll give you 1 package for free. Now you must buy the 2 packages at the same time, which will cost $500, and then you'll get the second package for free. This is the PIP trigger system. Keep in mind, or please note, does not include the super signal indicator. Has 22 training videos. The daily trade plan has 3 training videos. Easy trader system, this is the one that has the super signal indicator, has 3 training videos. And then of course How I Trade Live Advanced Trading Tips has 20 training videos. And as you scroll down, you can see more detail what is in each and every package. So if you have any questions at all, well, just Skype me. And looks like it's time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next video, good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.